Okay, good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing good. Now, as you know, we are starting the fourth chapter. That is a poem. That is a fourth poem, and we had done the I connect part in the previous video. That was we had given you some riddles to solve, and I hope you have done it. Okay. So now you all know, and I had also told you that you have to make two lists. One which has one list of fruits that have seeds, and another list you have to write about the fruits. You have to make a list of fruits that don't have any seeds. So I hope you have all done it with much interest, right? So now basically you know that we are going to learn a poem about the fruits. Okay, so today we will be reading the poem and I will be explaining it to you. Okay, students, so it is a very nice poem and you will enjoy it, and you will also learn something more about the seeds of the fruits and the fruits. Okay, so are you ready for the poem? Okay, let's start the poem. Okay, students, we are doing the second part of this poem. That means this is the second video of the poem. Okay, now let's see the poem. Okay, students, yesterday we had done this part. That was the I connect part. This was your homework, right? You had to solve the riddles, and now we are going to turn to the next page. That is a I read, means you have to read the poem. It is on page number 22. Okay, so let's see what is in the poem. Read this poem to learn what we can do with the seeds of fruit. So you know about what this poem is? It will teach you that what you have to do with the seeds of the fruits. Understood? It makes you healthy. It gives you energy. An apple or a guava, an orange or a papaya. Eat a fruit every day, but don't throw the seeds away. It's very nice line. See, it makes you healthy means the fruits make you healthy. It gives you energy means the fruits give you energy. Now the fruits names are given: apple, guava, orange, papaya. You eat any fruit, it will make you healthy and give you energy. Eat a fruit every day, but don't throw the seeds away. So what is the poet telling? That you should eat the fruit every day, but you must not throw the seeds away. But you must not throw the seeds away. Now she will tell us. The poet. See, the poet's name is Paramita Kar. So she is a poetess. Okay, a female the female person who writes poems is called poetess, and if it is written by a male it is called poet. So this is a poetess. Now we will see what the poetess is telling us to do with the seeds. Here's a simple thing you can do. Means you can do a simple thing. You could tell all your friends too, and she's telling you must tell all your friends also about this thing. Okay, now what you must do? Plant the seed in the soil. It doesn't take much time or toil. So you must not throw the seed, but you must plant it in the soil. Plant it in the soil means you must put it in the soil. Soil means the mud. Okay, mud. You must put it in the soil. And it doesn't take much time or toil. And this thing does not take much time. It is very easy to do. It does not take a lot of toil. Toil means hard work. Toil means work hard. So putting a seed, it does not take any hard work. It is very easy. And it will not take any time. You can do it quickly. Pour a little water there. Now what you must do after you put the seed in the soil? You must pour a little water there. After that you must put a little water on top of it. A young shoot will soon appear. Then a young shoot. Now you know what is shoot? Part of a plant that comes up the ground when it is just beginning to grow. Shoot means, you know, when a plant is beginning to grow, it is very small. So that is called shoot. That is called shoot. So when the plant will grow, it is very small. So that is called shoot. So when you put water every day, then what will happen? A young shoot will soon appear. Okay, there will be a young shoot. There will be a young plant. Now next, what is given? In time, it will become a big tree. And as time passes, as days pass, that small shoot will grow every day a little and little bigger, and soon it will become a big tree which gives so much to you and me. And the tree will give so much to you. It will give you fruits, it will give you leaves, it will give you wood, it will give you so many things. It will give you even shade, it will give you even shade. Understood? This way there will be forest again, green and clean our earth will remain. And so see, if you grow many trees, then what will happen? There will be forest everywhere. If everybody grows trees, if everybody puts the seeds in the soil, then there will be trees everywhere, and soon there will be forest everywhere. Green and clean our earth will remain. And you know that if you grow trees, then your earth also becomes green. Okay, there is everywhere greenery. Okay, there will be greenery everywhere, and your earth will also remain clean. And you know what do the trees do? They make your atmosphere clean. They give you oxygen. Yes or no? They give you oxygen. So they also make your surrounding clean. Okay, they make the air also clean. So your earth will also become more green and more clean. Understood? Now the last stanza. Grow trees this easy way, and it's fun too, I say. So now the poetess is saying that you must grow trees in this way. It is very easy to grow. So you must grow the trees this easy way. What you have to do, you only have to put the seed in the soil. And it's too fun. And it is also very fun. You will enjoy doing it. Just try to put a seed in the soil. And it is very fun activity. You will enjoy doing it. So eat a fruit every day. But remember, don't throw the seeds away. So you know what the poetess is telling? You must eat every day fruit. It is good for your health. But one thing what you must remember, don't throw the seeds away. Means you must not throw the seeds away. You must put it in the soil. So you know this is a very good poem. Have you enjoyed it? I loved this poem, and I know that even you must have loved this poem. So once I will just read the poem, okay? It makes you healthy. It gives you energy. An apple or a guava, an orange or a papaya. Eat a fruit every day, but don't throw the seeds away. Here's a simple thing you can do. You could tell all your friends too. Plant the seed in the soil. It doesn't take much time or toil. Pour a little water there. A young shoot will soon appear. In time it will become a big tree which gives so much to you and me. This way there will be forests again. Green and clean our earth will remain. Grow trees this easy way, and it's fun too, I say. So eat a fruit every day, but remember, don't throw the seeds away. And the poetess name is Paramita Kar. Understood, students? Okay, students, so I hope you have enjoyed the poem. It was really a very good poem. It was very nice to learn. Yes or no? It was very nice to read it. It was not boring. It was not a boring poem. Yes or no? Did you enjoy it? Yes. So please read the poem again and again, and you got to learn so much from the poem that you must not throw the seeds and you must put it in the soil so that a tree will grow. And if everybody does it, then there will be so many trees around you, and the earth will be a better place to live. It will be green and it will be clean. Yes or no? So it was a very nice poem written by Paramita Kar. Okay, students, so we have understood the poem today. Now in the next video we will be doing the exercises of the textbook. Okay, students, so thank you for watching the video and have a nice day.